Okay, so question 2. So this is the area and volume, the second section, 6.2, and we're going to work on the even questions today. So first thing is I got to find the total area correct to the nearest centimeters squared of this. So it's very simple. I've got myself a triangle, and I know the area for a triangle is going to be half the base by the height. And then I've got a semicircle here, the area of a semicircle. Well, I can see that the radius is going to be 4 centimeters, and the area of a circle is going to be pi r squared. So the area for a semicircle is just going to be pi r squared over 2. So let's do both of those. So let's do our circle first, semicircle. So it's pi times r squared, which is 4 squared, over 2. So that's just going to give me 8 pi. My triangle is half the base by the height. I can see my base is going to be 8. My height is going to be 12. So half 8 by 12. So what's that going to be? 48 centimeters squared. And of course this should be centimeters squared as well. So my total area, just add them together, is equal to 8 pi plus 48 centimeters squared. And I'm going to trust you to finish that part off on your own. I'm going to move on to the next part. The total perimeter enclosed by this figure. So the total perimeter, keep in mind that this is not going to be part of our perimeter. Alright, so we've got our arc length here, okay, or half a circumference, whichever way you want to look at it. And we've got the line here and the line here. So let's deal with our triangle first. And note that we can create a right angle triangle here on the outside. Okay. And I know that the distance from here to here is going to be 4 centimeters. I have this as 12. So I want the hypotenuse here. So I can use Pythagoras' theorem. H squared is going to be equal to 12 squared plus 4 squared. So H is going to be the square root of 12 squared plus 4 squared is 160. And let's see if there's a nice square root. Oopsie daisy, apologies. 160, 4 root 10. So H equals 4 root 10. So I can see I have 4 root 10 here. And 4 root 10 here. Now you can treat the arc here as a sector or just half the circumference of a circle. It makes absolutely no difference. But the arc length there, if it's a semicircle, the angle at the center is 180 degrees, of course. So it would be 2 pi r times theta over 360, 180 over 360. Sorry, I'm sure I should have filled in for the or there. The or in that case is from here to here, which is 4. So it's 2 pi times 4. So what's that? 8, that's 4 pi centimeters squared. Centimeters is length. So our total perimeter is 4 root 10 plus 4 pi. Plus 4 pi equals 25.25, the nearest 25 centimeters.